Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off LinkedIn profile viewing notifications, privacy mode step by step clearly. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to linkedin.com on your computer. Sign in to your LinkedIn account with your email and password. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top left to open the menu. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top right to open the drop-down. Tap or click Settings and Privacy to enter the account settings area. In the settings page, find and open the visibility section. Look for the option called Profile Viewing Options or Profile Viewing Mode. Tap or click Profile Viewing Options to see the available privacy choices. Read the three options so you understand what each one does before selecting. Select Private Mode if you want to view profiles anonymously. Notice that private mode can limit what you see in the Who Viewed Your Profile list. If you prefer a middle option, select Private Profile Characteristics instead. Confirm that your selection is saved by checking that it shows as the current mode. If LinkedIn asks you to confirm, tap or click the confirmation button. Go back one screen to make sure you are still inside Settings and Privacy. Now open the Notifications section from the Settings menu if you want extra control. Find profile-related notification settings such as profile views or visibility alerts. Turn off any notification toggles related to profile viewing updates if they exist. Return to the LinkedIn home page to test that everything is working. Use the search bar to find a profile you can safely visit for testing. Open that profile and wait a moment to ensure your viewing is handled by your chosen mode. If you want to double-check, go back to Settings and Privacy and reopen Visibility. Verify again that Private Mode or Private Profile Characteristics is still selected. On desktop, you can also check by clicking Me, then Settings and Privacy, then Visibility. On mobile, you can also reach it by tapping your avatar, then Settings, then Visibility. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, return to the same menu and change the mode. Remember that LinkedIn may apply different limits depending on your account type and features. Keep your app updated so the menu names and privacy controls match what you see in this guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.